In which year the name Pondicherry was changed to Puducherry officially? A. 2003, B. 2005, C. 2006, D. 2008. The correct answer is 2006. Total number of districts in Puducherry is A. 3, B. 4, C. 5, D. 6. The correct answer is 4. Who was the first Chief Minister of Puducherry? A. Moh Farooq, B. V. Venkata Subba Reddyar, C. Edward Gaubet, D. Subramanian Ramaswamy. The correct answer is Edward Gaubet. Which one is the state bird of Puducherry? A. Eagle, B. Dove, C. Pigeon, D. Quail. The correct answer is Quail. In which year Puducherry was integrated into India? A. 1960, B. 1962, C. 1965, D. 1969. The correct answer is 1962. Which one is the state animal of Puducherry? A. Chital, B. Deer, C. Tiger, D. Squirrel. The correct answer is squirrel. In which year Puducherry became a French colonial possession? A. 1674, B. 1679, C. 1688, D. 1695. The correct answer is 1674. The Yanam district is surrounded by which state? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Kerala, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. Karnataka. The correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. In which year Pondicherry University was established? A. 1976, B. 1981, C. 1985, D. 1989. The correct answer is 1985. The Mahe district is surrounded by which state? A. Karnataka, B. Goa, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Kerala. The correct answer is Kerala. Who was the first Lieutenant Governors of Puducherry? A. S. L. Silam, B. B. D. Jagti, C. Chedilal, D. K. M. Chandi. The correct answer is S. L. Silam. Total number of assembly constituencies in Puducherry is A. 26, B. 30, C. 32, D. 35. The correct answer is 30. Which one lake is located in Puducherry? A. Austery Lake, B. Kalana Lake, C. Anshupa Lake, D. Chilka Lake. The correct answer is Austery Lake. In which region Gingee River is located? A. Mahe region, B. Karaikal region, C. Puducherry region, D. Yanam region. The correct answer is Puducherry region. Which one is the largest district of Puducherry? A. Karaikal, B. Pondicherry, C. Mahe, D. Yanam. The correct answer is Pondicherry. Which district has the highest density of population? A. Karaikal, B. Pondicherry, C. Mahe, D. Yanam. The correct answer is Mahe.